I drive the car all the time. I was married 70 years. My husband's been gone for 2 years. Let me tell you, in the 70 years that we were married, this is the only brand new car we ever had, and I still got it. And it's my car.
Wow.
Yukon Yellow.
Yukon Yellow. Oh, yeah, my favorite car.
Yeah,
That's nice.
it's been painted. The original paint didn't last very long in Germany. Within 3 years, we had it repainted. Yukon Yellow.
Yukon Yellow. Yeah, nice.
All right, we'll let you back out.
What's up? What's up? That's okay.
Hey, you guys, Eddie Collins for Hobby W's here at Capistrano Volkswagen, and have we got a story for you? I'm standing here next to Mimi, and Mimi actually bought her Volkswagen right here at this dealership when it was Bill Yates back in the day. So Mimi, this is incredible, and it's fantastic that you actually brought this out. Tell our viewers a little bit about this.
I drive the car all the time. I was married 70 years. My husband's been gone for 2 years. Let me tell you, in the 70 years that we were married, this is the only brand new car we ever had, and I still got it. And it's my car.
That is fantastic. And I just saw you backing it out of what most people would think it's a nice little tight spot. And I mean, flawless. It's amazing. And if it's not too rude of me, can I ask your age?
Yes, I'm 90 years old.
You guys, 90 years old. You look fantastic, let me tell you. And the fact that you're still driving a standard. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of kids today that don't know how.
Yeah, right.
No, this is incredible. So explain to our viewers, when did the interest come about as far as getting a Volkswagen, and what were you hoping to actually get?
Well, I had a brother that had bought a Volkswagen from Felix in LA.
Okay.
And he was so enamored with it. And we had one that was a little bit earlier than this, but it didn't really suit us that well. So I bought the 70, and that was the end. I mean, there was no more Volkswagens. This was the best in the world.
Oh, that's fantastic. And now, I mean, it's interesting seeing it. It's in pristine condition. What did you decide to do over the years? I see that it's got a couple different add-ons, like the glass. It looks like you've got some etching on there. The wheels have been changed.
Well, when the wheels came right from here, my husband says we got to dress it up a little. So all of the extras that were put on before we drove it out of the lot.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
But anyway, the windows, when we first got it, we took it to an old German man, and he actually took the windows and cut them on the wheel to
Oh, wow.
Put the design on there.
Oh, very cool. All right. Would you mind showing us the inside?
Sure. The only thing that's not original in here is it came with the high back seats. And being that I was so short, I said, I need the lower seats. So we changed them out. But other than that, it's all original.
Oh my gosh, that is something else. The interior is pristine.
Yeah, it is.
This is so cool. I mean, this is something else. Now, I've got to ask, I'm assuming that every time you probably go fill it up or you drive around, are people always asking if you want to sell it?
Oh, yes, all the time. And when I fill it up at Costco, they run over to help me.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Let me help you. I've seen this car in here before. Oh, let me help you. And so they help me gas it up.
That's awesome. That is awesome. I'll tell you, it's not every day that you actually see, first of all, early Volkswagens, it's fun to see, but to see the original owner and still driving and still going at it.
You know, I have to tell you one thing. My husband sort of got onto the Porsches. So he had, on his way home from work, he saw a Porsche in San Juan. It was for sale. He bought it right on the spot. And he came home and I said, what do we need another car for? He says, we're going to sell a Volkswagen. I said, oh, no, we're not going to sell the Volkswagen for a Porsche. I said, that car was mine. It was meant and bought for me. And I said, I'm going to keep it.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It stayed in the family.
Good for you. And you definitely have taken great care of it. Now, I do have to ask. Now, the plate says Mimi 70, but do you have a nickname? Is it a he? Is it a she car? Do you have a nickname for it? Or just
Lovey.
me? Lovey. Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome. That
Right.
is awesome.
Right. Oh, it's been such a good car. Such a good car.
That's so neat.
How
That
many
is,
miles you driven this car?
The original engine, and it went 400,000 miles.
oh my goodness.
And it only conked out about 1 mile away from our house. I called my husband. He was there in a minute, and we had it towed up to the house and took it to the repairman. And so right now it's just got a little more than 1,000 miles on it.
Oh,
and
wow.
A new engine. We
All
had
right.
it rebuilt, so it's all from
Oh.
scratch, really.
That is great. So you're going to put another 400,000 on
Yep,
it then, huh?
yep. I hope I last that long.
Oh, that's fantastic. I'll tell you, this is incredible, and I think it's definitely an inspirational story. I mean, it's pretty wild for our viewers to actually see this and understand the passion. We were just inside the dealership talking about the passion that people have for their cars,
Oh, yeah.
and you are testimony to
Yeah,
that.
really. I opened the garage door and I said, oh, you darling bug.
That's so cool.
It's just a love affair between us, right?
That
Right.
is great. That is great.
And I keep it washed and polished and the whole works.
Well, you've done a great job, and I hope that you enjoy many, many, many more years with it and many more miles.
Well, thank you. I've got about 3 people that want to buy it.
Okay.
So I won't have any more.
There we go. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Miles here, the
Right.
gentleman that owns the dealership, would be definitely in line. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is something else. I'll tell you, you've done a fantastic job, and your husband's looking down from heaven right now, just smiling big time.
Yep, I still have all the paperwork on it, all the original paperwork, the sales receipt.
Oh
all
my
of it.
gosh. That is great.
Yeah.
That is great. Well,
Yeah.
congratulations to you and to Lovey. And
you.
I can't thank you enough for sharing the story with us.
I
So-
feel so honored.
Oh my
So
gosh, are you
honored.
kidding me? We're the ones that are honored.
Thank you, thank you.
It's not every day that we actually meet. Actually, I've never met anyone like you that has had their car for this long.
People see the wheels, and I say the wheels came with the car.
Uh-huh.
And for mag wheels, we've never had one single speck with them, and they gone all of those miles, and they, to my thinking, they're as good as the day they were put on.
There you go.
Just as strong and
Yeah. And cool looking too.
I like the
Yeah.
wheels, right,
Yeah.
right.
Well, you are a bit of a rebel,
Yeah.
know, so
Oh,
yeah, they kind of go with it.
I know, but you know what? I don't push it beyond its limits. I generally drive either in the first lane or the next one over, and I just take my time.
Yeah.
And I watch around. No one's going to get too close to me, and so I drive it with love.
That's fantastic, and that's why it's loved you back for so long.
Yeah, really,
So,
really.
yeah, no, that is so neat.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Mimi.
you.
A pleasure to
Car
meet
here,
you.
don't have to move it.
Yeah.
We're not going to the store.
Yeah, so you could just park it here. So this
Okay.
is great.
All right.
Well, there you go, you guys. If you want some inspiration, let me tell you, Mimi is definitely an inspiration here for the passion for the car, the passion for driving, and just the longevity. And Mimi, I'll tell you, I hope I look as good as you at 90. So
Well,
yeah,
thank you.
fantastic.
Thank you.
A true pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you for being here.
All right, you guys, keep watching. Take care.